Man lagas nem la jusaki ki jingalang baper ban rake ke lengko sngiyap jong uwe ni ki klawat ke bri hunyo trap utirat sing siem. Henry mentagas nem ha ke jing rake ya ke lengko sngiyap ke basispa prapun reu. Namar ka jinglen shop ke klam COVID-19 ki jing rake ke la kamduna. Tang ba ka mensiem sngu yet yung klawat kampat do satya. Ngelio ban saki ko we ni ki jingalang kabalalong ha ka kanyo trek unai tung arhajar arpuwe ha ka Sinod College Shillong ha ka balayo ban play pat ba ya ka dur jong new klawat. Ha ka jingalang kablalong ha auditorium jong ka Sinod College Shillong. La play pat ba ekene ka dur utirot sing da UMP ka Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Kharluki rengkat ka jingidan lang ki Shampang ha ka thok katar bat ki kenrem ki lendan. Ki bakentup u Commissioner bat Secretary jong ka Sarkar Jela u ba FR Kharkongor u Head of Department ka Tenat Pulek Khasi na School ba North Eastern Hill University u Dr. DRL Nonglan u Professor David Simle bala peniat ke jingilang do Principal jong ka Sinod College u Dr. Richard M Lengdo. Hadian ke jing play pat ba ekene ke dur utirot sing siem ha kene kesngi la pen bot pat se ke jing ai jing kran ni kiru Shampang halor ke jing dan kam ban bo iki dur jong kiru krau ka bri hunyo trap ha keleng ki jaka pule. Kenang bakane kan ketek iki pateng la pateng banwan namar ha baki i ki dur rengkat bat ki kerteng kinwat jing tip Shapang ki klawat ka bri hunyo trap.
And tribal resistance movements have always been an integral part of the national movement. In fact, we can go as far as to say that these tribal resistance movements constituted a precursor to the actual liberation movements that took place later and fructified under Mahatma Gandhi and all the other national leaders. I think this instinct for self-preservation is still very strong amongst our hill communities and our tribal communities even to this day. This instinct for self-preservation, this instinct to fight against expansionism, this instinct to fight against intrusion into our cultures, into our way of life, into our thinking, is still a very strong feeling. And it was this instinct that fired people like Tirot Singh, like Yang Nongba, like Patogan Sangma, to fight against these expansionists, these in fact, imperialist forces. It may have been an unequal war then, as it still is, because they only had bows and arrows fighting against superior forces who had guns and cannons and all the benefits of the Industrial Revolution. It may have been an unequal war, but the spirit and the heroism and the spirit of not yielding to the foreign forces still is very much embedded in the DNA of our communities and of our people.